Hare Krishna. Association works, but making it work is our responsibility. Power of association is one of the most fundamental teachings of spiritual life and even of cultured life. The kind of people we hang out with, that is the kind of people we end up becoming. When we come in spiritual association, that is foundational for becoming spiritual. And yet sometimes we find that even after living for a long time in spiritual association, still we don't seem to be spiritual. Still it appears as if our materialistic consciousness is continuing. So we may wonder, does association work automatically, or why is it not working for me? Actually, nothing in life, especially something which involves conscious in will and the transformation of consciousness, nothing works automatically. It has to be made to work conscientiously. Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita describes what is to be done in association. In 10.9 he says, Macchitta madgata prana bodhayantah parasparam kathayantascha mam nityam tushyanti charamanti cha. So it says that Macchittaha, it is describing how devotees associate with each other. They are internally focused on Krishna. Madgata prana, their life is devoted to Krishna. Bodhayantaha parasparam, and when they come and associate with each other, they talk about, they enlighten each other. Kathayantascha mam nityam, constantly they discuss about Krishna. Tushyanti charamanti cha, they get satisfaction and they get delight in such discussions. So the defining activity of association is divine discussion. Discussion about the divine. And from that discussion, taste for such discussion emerges. So making association work is our responsibility means that when we come in association, it is our responsibility to be focused on discussing about Krishna, to be focused on not letting peripheral topics consume our consciousness. Naturally, we will discuss about various things, but we should know the primary purpose of associating with devotees, associating with spiritually minded people, is to discuss about spirituality. And especially to discuss about Krishna with those people whose desire for Krishna is strong. Best is if their desire for Krishna is stronger than ours, then in their association, our desire for Krishna will also strengthen. And that is how the magic of association will work in transforming our consciousness. So association does work. It is like a train in which we get in, the train will take us to the destination. But this train, it is we who have to power it. How do we power it? By keeping the focus of our consciousness and the focus of our interactions on Krishna. That's why making association work is our responsibility. Keeping our consciousness focused on Krishna is our responsibility. And to the extent we do that, to that extent the train is powered towards destination Krishna. Thank you. Hare Krishna.